Okay beta, look at question number 3. We had discussed up to question number 2. Alida runs her toy on a dry marble floor, wet marble floor, newspaper and towel spread on the floor. The force of friction acting on the car on different surfaces in increasing order will be. Harshbir Singh.
Wet marble floor, dry marble floor, newspaper and towel.
You are saying it is option A?
Ma'am, yes.
Option A, wet marble floor, and then because we are doing increasing order of force of friction, तो wet marble floor पे सबसे कम, उसके बाद dry, उसके बाद newspaper और उसके बाद towel. All right, the surface of towel is maximum rough. Next one, suppose your writing desk is tilted a little. A book kept on it starts sliding down. Show the direction of frictional force acting on it. ये देखिए बेटा, ये एक टिल्टेड राइटिंग डेस्क है. अब इसमें हमने डायरेक्शन बतानी है, डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स एक्टिंग ऑन इट. बिकॉज अगर आप बुक ऐसे स्लाइडिंग सरफेस पे रखोगे तो बुक नेचुरली विल कम डाउन. तो बुक विल स्टार्ट मूविंग डाउन जैसे ही आप इसके ऊपर रखेंगे स्लाइडिंग सरफेस के ऊपर. ये आपने बहुत बार एक्सपीरियंस भी किया होता है. When we keep something on the sliding surface, it starts tilting down. तो ये नीचे की तरफ it will start moving, and when it is moving down, the frictional force will act in opposite direction, in the forward direction, in the upward direction. ठीक है? So you will have to draw this diagram to explain it. So quickly you can copy this diagram. The direction of frictional force will be opposite to the direction of motion of the book. So direction of motion of the book is downward, and friction force is acting upward because frictional force always opposes motion. Frictional force हमेशा oppose करता है motion. So you will draw this diagram and you will write down this also. Immediate you can do it. You can write down in your rough notebook. Next question. You spill a bucket of soapy water on marble floor accidentally. ये भी कई बार हो जाता है that we spill water on a marble floor accidentally. Would it make easier or more difficult for you to walk on the floor? Why? Navroz Singh. Navroz beta, please unmute. He's not there, I guess. Parinika. Nandini. Please unmute.
Ma'am, it will be difficult to move.
It will be difficult to move. Why it will be difficult to move, beta?
Ma'am, because when we try to move on the soapy water, we will slip.
We will slip. Reason behind?
Ma'am, due to soapy water.
नहीं, soapy water तो है, उसके reason क्या हुआ? Why it will make the floor slippery?
Ma'am, because it reduces the friction to walk on it.
बिल्कुल ठीक. और friction क्यों reduce हुआ यहाँ पर?
Ma'am, because the soapy water has been spilled on the floor.
बिल्कुल ठीक, soapy water has been spilled on floor. लेकिन एक और चीज missing है बीच में से आंसर की. Sukhnoor, can you complete?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the marble floor has less friction and the soapy water reduce the friction too. So then it is more difficult to walk.
ये तो उसने already बोल दिया. Anything else? Anyone else wants to fill in the complete answer? Mannat, हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, it will be more difficult because the soapy water fills the irregularities because so it becomes
Very,
smooth.
very good. This is what we need to write down, beta. So beta, you will note down this. So you will write down the complete answer. Soapy water makes it difficult to walk because reason. Soapy water fills irregularities of the marble floor. It makes the surface smooth, reduces friction and makes walking difficult. I hope you have noted it down. Let's move on to the next question. Explain why sports person use spikes, shoes with spikes. I hope you know what are the shoes or what kind of shoes it looks like. Let me show. All of you must look here. These are the shoes and ये sports persons के shoes होते हैं जिनमें ऐसे spikes होते हैं. This is one type I have shown. Different types of athletes use different types of spiked shoes जो different sports में use होते हैं. तो what is the role of these spikes in the for the athlete? ठीक है, sports person की. हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, the sportsman uses the shoes with spikes because the spikes makes more friction than the normal sports shoes, so that they do not slip while playing. That's why they use the shoes with spikes.
Beta, you have to be little louder, Akal. Answer, please be little louder and tell again.
The sportsmen use the shoes with spikes because the shoes with spikes makes more friction than the normal sports shoes, and they do not slip while playing, so that they,
बिल्कुल ठीक. So
they wear these spike shoes.
बिल्कुल ठीक. So first thing we will write down spikes जो होते हैं. Spikes on shoes. उनका क्या रोल है? Spikes on shoes जो होते हैं that increase friction. सबसे पहले हम लिख देते हैं spikes on shoes make surface of shoes rough. है ना? पहली बात तो ये ऐसे सरफेस उनसे रफ हो जाता है. दूसरी बात, अगर ये सरफेस रफ है इंक्रीजेस फ्रिक्शन, और अगर उसका फ्रिक्शन इंक्रीज हो गया देयरफॉर प्रिवेंट स्लिपिंग और स्किडिंग. दोनों ही चीजें, ना तो वो फिसल सकता है स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन व्हाइल प्लेइंग, ठीक है, स्किडिंग on the ground. Clear to all of you? And this completes the answer. So you can note it down. Beta, you have to note it down because otherwise I'll share only the model answers. लेकिन अगर क्योंकि मैं आपको सारी hints यहाँ पर दे रही हूँ, so I don't think so while discussing we are discussing all the answers. We don't need to share the answer key with you. I hope all of you have understood. Let's go to the next question. Iqbal has to push a lighter box and Seema has to push a similar heavy box. दो बच्चे हैं इकबाल एंड सीमा. इकबाल और सीमा के सामने दोनों सेम बॉक्स हैं, सिमिलर बॉक्स हैं, लेकिन जो इकबाल है उसको लाइटर बॉक्स पुश करना है और जो सीमा है उसको हेवियर बॉक्स पुश करना है ऑन द सेम फ्लोर. फ्लोर भी सेम है. तो मतलब सरफेस दोनों की सेम है. Who will have to apply larger force and why? I want Hazel to answer me. I hope you have written this answer. Hazel,
Seema will have to apply a larger force because increase in weight of the force body increases friction. To overcome this frictional force, Seema will have to apply larger force.
हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक. थोड़ा सा और कोई भी एक्सप्लेन कर सकता है? जतिन.
When a heavy object is placed on the floor, the interlocking of irregularities of the surface of the box and floor becomes strong.
वेरी गुड. जब एक हेवियर ऑब्जेक्ट हम फ्लोर के ऊपर रखते हैं तो इट गेट्स मोर strongly interlocked with the irregularities of the surface, and hence it becomes more difficult for it to move it, and hence we have to apply a greater force to move a heavy object and as compared to a lighter object. Clear to all of you? Very good. So we can write down this answer. You can note down. Simultaneously keep noting down, beta. Answer 7th now. First thing we have to write down that heavy objects more interlocking. आप ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं pressed hard. Heavy objects are pressed hard against the surface. So what happens? They are more interlocked, more interlocking of the irregularities of the two surfaces, right? So more force is required to push or move it. ठीक है? Therefore, what is the question asked? Who has to apply larger force? ठीक है ना? Therefore, who has to apply larger force? Seema has to apply. Seema has to apply larger force. All of you understood? तो जब आप रीजनिंग क्वेश्चन लिखते हैं, अगर आप इस तरह से स्टेप वाइज उसको रीजन आउट करते हैं तो आपको फुल मार्क्स मिल जाते हैं. कई बार आप कोई पॉइंट मिस आउट कर जाते हैं, then you get less marks comparatively. So you should always make sure that you write down in points, and this way you can explain it. But this I've given you only the hints. You have to explain it in the test or in the practice assignments or in the papers. तो आप properly उसको explain किया करें. ठीक है? I hope you have written this answer. Next one, explain why sliding friction is less than static friction. Sliding friction is less than static friction. Who will do it? Jatin, can you do it, beta? I hope I'm
In
audible.
sliding,
हाँ जी बेटा.
in sliding friction, the time given for interlocking of objects is very small. Hence, interlocking is not very strong. Because of this reason, sliding friction is less.
When a body starts moving on a surface, जब एक body starts moving on a surface, what is happening? जब एक body एक दूसरे body के ऊपर, when a body is moving on another surface, what is happening? The contact points on this surface and this surface will not get enough time to interlock. ठीक है ना? And thereby sliding friction, it will require less amount of force to make an object already moving to push it, and therefore sliding friction is less than that of static friction. All right, clear to all of you? It is mentioned even in your book. I think page number, who can tell me the page number? me. Page number 149. Last paragraph on left hand side. When the box starts sliding, the contact points on its surface do not get enough time to lock into the contact points on the floor. So the sliding friction is slightly smaller than static friction. Will you be able to write down this answer in your own words? Right? So instead of a box, you can write down when a
Yes,
body
ma'am.
starts sliding. Okay? When a body starts sliding, the contact points on the surface do not get enough time to lock into the contact points of the floor, and so the sliding friction is just box ko body bana lijiye. That's enough. If you write down box, that is also not wrong. Look at the question number 9. Give examples to show that friction is both a friend and a foe. तो आपने ये दो headings में करना है. First, we will write down all those points जिससे कि हमें पता चले कि friction is a friend. Friction as friend. ठीक है? पहली heading आप ये देंगे. So you will write down first point, friction as friend. I want Sukhnur to tell me.
Friction is a friend. Because of the friction, we can walk on the surface. We can write on the board with the friction.
Very good. Walking. Second, writing. All this मैं ये आपको बहुत brief में दे रही हूँ. When you are writing answers in your exam test, you have to write down in detail. हाँ जी. I want Nandini to answer me. Any other? मतलब जब आप इसको explain करेंगे, तो we are able to walk on the road safely or floor due to friction between the road and the sole of our shoes. When we are writing, we will write down that we are able to write on a paper or a board because there is friction between the pen and pencil and the paper or the board. So we cannot write properly if it is. आपने नोट भी किया होगा, अगर आपको glazed paper पे लिखना है या waxed paper पे लिखना है तो आप लिख पाते हैं ठीक तरह? नहीं लिख पाते हैं. So you will have to explain that we are not able to write properly on a glazed paper or a waxed paper because of less friction, but we can write down on a board or a paper because of friction between the pen or pencil and the paper. All right. Any other thing we can include? I want.
Ma'am,
Anji beta.
Ma'am, I want to add points in. Ma'am, I want to add points in disadvantages of friction.
Nandini, your voice is not clear. Please keep your mic little away and then speak, beta.
Ma'am, I say that I want to add points in the disadvantages of friction.
आप disadvantages बताएंगे, मैं तो आपसे advantage पूछूं, चलिए आपसे disadvantage के टाइम पे आएंगे. I want Mannat to answer me.
Friction enables us to hold the objects. It enables us to stop the moving objects and the vehicles.
It helps us to hold.
It enables lighting the fire.
बिल्कुल ठीक. Friction between the tires of cycle, car, truck, scooter, everything are made rough for safe driving. If there is no friction between the road and the tires, it would not be impossible to stop the vehicle also. ठीक है ना? So friction between tires of car, cycle. ठीक है?
It enables us to light a fire.
Drive on road. हाँ जी बेटा.
It enables lighting fire.
Very good. To light fire also. It enables to light fire also. Then एक और point आप लिख
Ma'am,
सकते हैं.
it enables the
Brakes.
better grip of the shoe.
Applying brakes is possible because of friction only. ठीक है? To stop any vehicle. To stop moving vehicle. That is because of friction only. तो ये सारे point आप elaborate करके one line में आप लिख सकते हैं. Friction as friend. Now you have to write down friction as foe. How it is having certain kind of disadvantages to have friction. तो फ्रिक्शन एज फो लिखते हैं। अब इसमें हम पहले नंदिनी से पूछेंगे बिकॉज शी सेड शी विल बी गिविंग मी पॉइंट्स फॉर हाउ फ्रिक्शन इज नॉट हार्मफुल टू अस। फो, हाँ जी बेटा नंदिनी। नो, हेजल।
Friction causes loss of energy in the form of heat. It causes wear and tear of moving bodies.
Wastage of energy. Lot of heat is
It
produced.
also opposes motion of body.
हाँ जी,
It causes wear and tear of moving machines or body.
It causes wear and tear. सर हमारे सोल जो होते हैं शूज के वो घिस जाते हैं, टायर्स हमारे
It opposes motion of body.
पार्ट्स का वेयर एंड टेयर हो जाता है। बिल्कुल ठीक। और कुछ?
It opposes motion of the body.
It opposes
Motion of body.
it opposes motion of the body. Free motion of the body is opposed. और कोई चीज जो कोई और बच्चा बताना चाहता है? मन्नत।
Ma'am, it produces the unwanted heat.
Produces unwanted heat. That is included in wastage, but okay. Produces unwanted heat. That goes waste. Actually, ये point इसके साथ ही include हो जाता है. That's all.
Ma'am, we had to apply more force if the object is heavier.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, we need to apply more force if the object is heavier.
We have to apply greater force if the object to move it. If the object is heavier. Okay. Next question पे आ जाइए. Explain why objects moving in
Ma'am,
fluids
one
must.
more point.
हाँ जी बेटा. You want to say something else?
Ma'am, it damages the machine, so we have a high cost to maintain it.
बिल्कुल requires maintenance. Actually ये point इसके साथ ही include हो जाता है जब हम wastage of energy या wear and tear करते हैं ना, तो ये point इसके साथ आ जाता है, requires maintenance. ठीक है? Maintenance तो हमारे लिए economically
Okay, ma'am.
होता है मेंटेनेंस रिक्वायर्ड होती है, तो हमारे लिए जो इकोनॉमिकली इट इज नॉट वायबल, क्योंकि मशीन पार्ट्स बार बार घिसते रहते हैं, देयर इज सो मच ऑफ एनर्जी बीइंग लॉस्ट, तो इसके कारण हमें इट रिक्वायर्स हाई अमाउंट टू मेंटेन दीज. कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन माय डियर. एक्सप्लेन व्हाई ऑब्जेक्ट्स मूविंग इन फ्लूइड्स मस्ट हैव स्पेशल शेप्स. जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स फ्लूइड्स में मूव करते हैं उनकी हमारे को एक स्पेशल शेप की जरूरत है. तो आपने पिछला वाला क्वेश्चन आप याद रखेंगे कि यू हैव टू राइट डाउन एज फ्रेंड एंड फो in separate headings. All right, now come to last question, answer 10th. Anji, explain why objects moving in fluids must have a special shape. I want Harsh B to answer. There are few students answering today. Anji beta.